So welcome to today's class of mathematics. Today's question is we have to solve 40 minus 8 plus 16. How you are going to solve this? First you'll have to write down 40 minus, open the bracket, write down 8 plus 16, close the bracket, enter, put is equal to sign now, write down 40 minus, now we will solve from the bracket. Now 16 plus 8 is how much? 16 plus 8 will be how much you will get? 24. You will get 24. Then you will have to put again is equal to sign. Now subtract this. So 40 minus 24, how much you will get? So here you will have to give carry 1. So 10 minus 4 will be 6. And here which number will come? 3 minus 2 will be 1. So here it will be 16 is your answer. So I hope you have understood how to solve this, and thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe my channel and share with the friends. Press the bell icon for more updates. If any doubts, queries, comment below.